Hello, what's up, people? Face reveal. And you guys have already seen my face. Okay, but still, today we are building a PC. My first PC. I've been waiting for this moment from the past 2 years. My motherboard arrived today, like 3 hours ago. Today is 8th May. You'll probably see this on 9th May night or 10th May if you live in India. 10th.
Voy a la playa, había subido la marea. Jesús, había subido la marea y encontré una paella.
May morning if you live in India. Today we are going to build my PC. Every of these parts we'll have links in the description. So if you want to buy any of these, except these things, these are just like these are just cables and stuff. All right. So we have to start building. Yeah. Okay. Let's just first off we start with the motherboard. So motherboard. I'm going to fast forward most of this except some parts. Yeah, so I had gotten a call there. So first, see, not a tip or anything, don't use this as a build guide. I hope you guys know that. If you guys use this, like, please don't watch a bit with Linus Tech Tips, something. But use your motherboard box as a stand for whatever the freak you're going to do next, because it's anti-static and everything else. Yeah. So next,
Hello guys, it's Jovan, and you know what time it is?
Now what happened next is surprising. I wanted to install my CPU cooler, but it took me 30 minutes to do that. That's because I we have two things in the CPU cooler, the heatsink and the fan. I had to remove the fan from the heatsink and then I had to install it, but I forgot to do that, as you can see in the clip. Then I realized that like 30 minutes later, and yeah, after that I installed it. But after that, something even better happens. My phone ran out of storage. Yeah, right when I needed it to. So these are all of the pictures I have from like my mother and I have taken during the PC build. I'll just make the compilation and do some voiceover from the back. Hey, that's all. Yeah, let's get into the pictures. Now this is the photo of me after I had installed my heatsink. As you can see everything. And then this is the photo of me after I installed the motherboard, everything inside the case. This is me taking out my graphics card, a GTX 1650 Super, and then I installed the graphics card in the case, in the PCI slot. This is when I wired all of the case thingies, the case cables for the switch and something. After this, this is the power supply. I screwed in the power supply. This is how my thingy looked when it was turned on. Now, funny story once more. These cables you can see, there was the orange cable, that was the power cable. The power cable was dead. I thought my power supply was dead. I had bought a new one for that, but then I realized that it then I turned off my did some tests from Google, and then I tried to turn on my power supply. Then what happened is my power supply turned on. Then I thought that what's wrong with it. I thought there was something wrong with my motherboard, so I did a boot test from YouTube. I link the video in the description from the video I looked at for the boot thingy, and then it turned on. Then I realized my case power switch had a mistake, so I used my reset button as my power button. Now last thing before ending the video, now in this photo you can see that my fans are installed on the top of the case instead of the front as it was in the previous photo. That's because I realized that the lines in my case aren't for airflow, they are just like normal design. And then I realized that there is no airflow in the front of my case, so I shifted it up there for nice airflow so my things doesn't heat up. Yeah, that's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, my first ever PC build. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.